Hi fella, you're about to learn how to create your Bee wallet, important and unnecessary things you need to know. I'm sure you must have seen this very section right here that says wallet. Now, once you have made sure that your Bee wallet is updated from Google Play Store or Apple Store, you want to come over to this very section that says wallet right here. Now click on this. Now the moment you click on this, this is going to appear, which is going to say update wallet right here. Now, I see some people saying that you can import your wallet, that you should go ahead and import your wallet. Now, there's no problem with that, but I would advise you to first create a wallet right now, right? The Big Core team never said it's mandatory to import your wallet, right? So what you have to do first is to create your wallet, and this very wallet creation right here is mandatory for newbies, right? This is what you need to know. You don't have to stress yourself thinking about how to import your wallet at the moment. But for those of us who are already familiar with this very process, if you want to import your wallet, this is what you should do. You should come over to the home section. Now from the home section, go ahead and click on this very settings icon you can see on my screen right now. Just click on the settings icon at the top right hand corner of your screen. Now once you click on that, you would arrive at this very page. Now go ahead and select this very one that says account and security. Once you click on account and security, it will lead you to this very page, and then you go ahead and click on wallets, which is right here. And if you do this, you get to see the two wallets you can bind to this very big wallet, right? Which is MetaMask and Trust Wallet. So if you intend to bind a wallet to Bee Network, make sure it's MetaMask and Trust Wallet. But here's what you also need to know. You don't have to go ahead and import a wallet straight into the Bee wallet. What you have to do first is to create your wallet and then export this very wallet to MetaMask or Trust Wallet, and then import that very wallet back into the Bee wallet. This is how it should be, right? This is what you're meant to do. By so doing, you don't lose your tokens at all, right? But you first need to create a wallet. This is what you need to know. After creating the wallet, you can now go ahead and export, then import back that very wallet into this very wallet than just importing a random Trust Wallet or MetaMask wallet straight up into the Bee wallet. I hope this is well understood. Enough talk, let's get into the wallet creation process. So what you have to do right now is to click on update wallet right here, and you can go ahead and read this very instruction for yourself, right? I'm not going to start reading this to save us time. After reading this, you can now go ahead and click on this very button right here that says I accept, and then we create a new password. I'm just going to enter a new password right here and then confirm it right here. Okay, you have to enter it twice. Once you're sure that you've created the right password, you can now go ahead and click on this very confirm button right here. So let's do that real quick. You can see Bee Network would like to use your biometrics functionality. You can protect your assets by verifying biometric information. So I'm going to say allow, because I don't just want anyone from any random phone with my password to just log into my phone like that, right? So I'm just going to click allowed right now. And whenever I want to open up my Bee wallet, I would have to use my fingerprints, right? This is how it works. I'm going to fix in my fingerprint right there, and this wallet is going to be unlocked right away. So you can see right now, this is the Bee wallet, right? And to get your passphrase right now, you can come over here, which is the manual backup, or you can just simply do the cloud backup. The cloud backup will do this automatically, but the manual backup will require you writing this down and then repeating the passphrase. Right now, this is where you can also go ahead and copy your wallet address. This is account 1 at the moment. You can add extra wallets just like you do for MetaMask, right? But currently this wallet is not backed up. And then this is the DEX, right? This is the DEX we are talking about. This is where you can get tokens from, right? You get to see tokens listed on the market. You get to see the gainers, the losers, and new coins that are just being released, right? So this is basically what you need to know. I'm going to switch back to the blockchain tab right here. I'm doing this video right now because I noticed a lot of people haven't even created their wallet. Now let me show you how to back up your wallet. Now if you click on manual backup right here, you are going to be required to check all boxes, and let's read this out so you can see what this talks about. Now I'm reading this out because this is really important. This is where a lot of people miss it, right? They don't understand these things and they just go ahead and do it how they deem fit. Now this is what you need to know. Bee Network will not keep your backup phrase, right? Bee Network will not keep your seed phrase. This is one thing you need to know. The second is, you do not have to save your seed phrase by taking a screenshot or copying it. Please, you need to write it down. Now the third is, if the seed phrase is leaked, it may lead to theft of your assets, right? So you have to take note of this. So I'm going to tick all these boxes right now and click on next. Secure your seed phrase with your life. This is what you need to do. Now, if we want this seed phrase to be reviewed, I'm just simply going to click on this eye icon right here, and my seed phrase will be reviewed, and then I'll have to write that down on my jotter. It shouldn't just be any random piece of paper. It should be on your jotter or diary, somewhere safe. You have to write it somewhere safe so that you can be able to access it easily. Cannot overemphasize on this, right? So I'm going to click this icon and write down my passphrase or seed phrase right now. So after that, then I'll come back to this very video. So these are important things you need to know. Once you are done writing your passphrase down, make sure you cross-check just so you know if the words are spelled correctly. Then after that, you go ahead and click on this very next button you see right here. And now you'll be asked to provide the passphrase. Another thing you need to know before you click that continue button I just clicked is that you have to write this in order, right? Your passphrase or your seed phrase in Bee Wallet is numbered from 1 to 12. You have to make sure that you number it exactly as it was given to you, and then you click that continue button. So I'm meant to provide seed phrase 5, seed phrase 7, and seed phrase 11. So for seed phrase 5, I'm going to just give them what I see right there. And for seed phrase 7, I'm going to do the same. And 11, I'm going to do the same. Right? I'm actually looking at my diary right now while I provide this very information. I'm going to go ahead and click on this very complete button at the bottom of my screen right now. And that is it. The Bee Wallet has been successfully backed up, right? By so doing, you have successfully created your Bee Wallet. As you can see right now, our account reads 00, and that is because nothing has been transferred to this very wallet. You can see all the major functions of a crypto wallet. You can send, you can receive. Then this is the swap DEX, the history section, where you see coins you've sent, coins you've received, and coins you've also swapped. And then this is the reward section, which would reward you for completing events. I've created a video on that. You might want to go check that out. I'll leave that video on the end screen of this very video, and also in the description of this very video. You might want to check that out to learn how you can earn these very coins right here. And of course, I'm going to ping my team right now so they can know that they need to also complete tasks to earn these tokens. As you can see, I've earned about 2.6 USDT right here, which is really little compared to what some of my folks out there earn, but this is basically how this works, right? So at the moment, the only token you'll find on this very wallet is Ethereum, right? It's Ethereum. And like I said before, if you want to import a wallet to this very wallet, you have to first create this and then import the passphrase of this Bee Wallet, which you just backed up right now, to either Trust Wallet or MetaMask, and then they import that back. But for the meantime, this is what you need to do. You don't have to do those confusing or hard stuff if you don't know how to do it. There is no instruction on doing that right now, right? If the instruction is necessary, they would let us know, right? But for the meantime, just do this. So this is basically it. I hope with this you've learned how to create your Bee Wallet. If you did and you got value from this very video, I'd appreciate it if you leave a like and subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to be creating more videos in the coming days, how to earn free Bitcoins and updates regarding the Bee network. So if you don't want to miss out at all, make sure you subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss out whenever I drop that very video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section and I'll do my best to respond to you as soon as I can. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and goodbye.